Today we'll talk about the movies of Spider-Man. Number 1 is Captain America Civil War. In this movies, he joins the Avengers with the help of Tony Stark. Number 2 is Spider-Man Homecoming. In this movies, he balances the school and fighting with the Vulture. Number 3, Infinity War. In this movie, Spider-Man fails to save Tony's allies and loses Aunt May. Number 4, Avengers Endgame. Spider-Man helps defeat Thanos and mourns losses. Number 5, Far From Home. In these movies, Spider-Man struggles with his girlfriend MJ and being a complete superhero. And the last one is Spider-Man No Way Home. Spider-Man exposed as Spider-Man, his identity causes chaos. At the end, he lost his identity from the world's memory to protect loved ones and his friend. Thanks for watching, you guys.